Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had talked about the versioning and dependencies installation from package.json file. So in today's tutorial, we will be talking about the update or upgrade of the dependencies, how we can update the dependencies. We will be knowing in three different phases how we can update the development dependencies, how we can update the dependencies for the full project, how we can update the dependencies or packages globally as well. So let's move ahead and check in our project. I have one dependency name as movement install and the current package install is 2.10.0. Let me see sudo npm list. As you guys can see, the movement package installed is 2.10.6. So let me go ahead and try to update this dependency. I can say sudo npm update movement and minus minus save. So this is the command to update the dependency and change the latest version in the package.json file as well. If you didn't write minus minus save flag, you didn't pass it to the update parameters for node package manager, it will never update the dependency here. So let me go ahead and hit enter. As you guys see, it's changed to 2.30.1. Let me go ahead and list down. As you can see, like now the installed package for movement is 2.30.1. This is how we can update normal dependencies for whole project locally. Let's move ahead and try to update a dependency for development phase only. Like I have installed nodemon, that is 2.0.1. Let me move ahead and try to update the dependency of nodemon. Let me say let do sudo npm update minus minus dev minus minus save. This is saying to the compiler or node package manager, please update the dependencies in the development dependencies key and save them also as a key, like update them here as well. Let's go ahead and hit run and let's see. Now it will consume a little time because the dependencies, this dependency is a bit big, nodemon. Let's see if it's updated or no. Yes, now you can see our dependencies for the development phase is updated as well. As you can see, like it's changed to 2.0.22 now. This is how we can update the dev dependencies. So let me go ahead and see how we can update the global dependencies. For that we have to write sudo npm sudo npm update and any dependency name. I can say first I will install the movement, sudo npm install package movement minus g. I can say install one package movement minus g globally and it's installed. And now I can say sudo npm update movement minus g. So I have to pass just a flag minus g to update the package globally. So let's move ahead and try to hit. This is the way how we can update the package to latest release in the global directory or in nodejs globally. So this is pretty much simple to update the packages, pretty clear. Let me talk about how we can update npm by itself. By the way, normally we can use update command to update all the packages, but if I want to update npm by itself, so I have to write sudo npm update. I will write npm package name and at the rate latest. So this is very basic and very simple command to update the package manager by itself from command line prompt or from terminal. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Goodbye.